Look what's in Cheezy's garage today. JPD400. It's a jump starter, air inflator, and deflator by LOKITHOR. You know, I like their products. Manuel. Nice soft case. The force of thunder in your hand. So you have the unit, the jump starter, a tire inflator with adapters. Jeez, it's got everything. And it's got a light. How many in one is that? It's a lot, and it's pretty compact. So what this does, it'll inflate and deflate, blow up mattresses, blow up rafts, blow up tubes, blow up beach balls, all that type of stuff. That's a low pressure, high volume on that section. It's 3.5 kPa maximum, 270 liters per minute. Deflation pressure is 3.5 kPa. It's a 1000 milliamp battery, 37 watt hour. There's your inputs and outputs. That's a charge port, USB-C, a little fan. Your jumper connections, 750 amp normal jump starting with a 3000 amp peak. Your tire filler, 35 liters per minute. Tire inflator section comes with all these adapters for sport balls and stuff. Has a 300 lumen light. All the specs. Nice compact unit. So the cable they give you is about 3 feet long. USB-C on both ends, which is for charging the unit, or you could charge your phone. Super fast charging too. And I'll tell you how many watts. So let's get this charged up. This may be fast charging. So yes, according to this, you can do a PD 30 watt. Right now we're doing 11 watts. Oh, yeah. So if you want to fast charge this, make sure you're using a PD 30 USB-C to USB-C. We'll leave that there to charge for a bit. Yes, I do have a collection of other LOKITHOR products. And of course I have them in all the cars. You gotta have them in all the cars.
A few moments later.
Fully charged. Let's fill up a tire. So you have sport balls, bar, or PSI. Air pressure just to blow. You got a car, got a bike, and you got a scooter. 12 pounds in the golf cart tires. This one's flat already. Hope there's no scorpions. That's an oversized golf cart tire, 20 by 8.8. For jump mode, plugs in right there. Negative up top. Wish they had a little bit longer and a little bit pointier. And some of those little small engine batteries are really tight to get on. Let's jump this bad boy, because this battery does not hold a charge. Getting ready to boost. That's only 9.5 volts, that battery. So if you have no voltage there, you can hold this button and then you can force it. If the battery's bone dead, it won't come on automatically. That forces it. But if you have a little bit of juice in the battery, you connect that up, it'll do a countdown. Now let's see if it starts. Sounds good, right? You know why? Little inspection window right there. Put a little GB weld, put that piece back in there. It's that simple for jumping. Now I gotta find something to blow up. Maybe one of those dolls. Completely dead. So we have to force jump. Hold down the mode button. That battery was bone dead. Let's see what we got. air mode. Of course, it comes with all these attachments. So let's try the inflate deflate feature. Which is that air blowing symbol right there. Got a little blow up lounge. Maybe to take this over to that little secret lake. Should have picked up a little raft. A little blow up raft, huh? Might have one down here. Well, I guess there's not much to blow up. Find one that fits the hole. Put this in. It says turn to the left and then hit pump. Well, beats blowing it up by mouth, huh? That's it. Put that like that, and that's it. Now if you want to deflate it, you hook it to this side. You can use this for storing clothes and stuff like that, it shows. And you know it does deflate, but you can never really get it like it was when you took it out of the package, so stick that in there. On the intake side, it'll shrink right up, just like that autopilot in airplane. So there's nothing left in there. Pretty cool. That's pretty useful. And they show this where you can get the connector for the bags when you're packing clothes, and you can suck out the air for those too. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll have the links down below. Again, thanks for watching. VinCheez approved. And it does all fit back in the bag.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.